everything that don't benefit you. If it's negative people, delete them. If it's negative memories, delete it. Because if you go into the new year with all of these negative things and if you keep holding on to them, then they're going to do nothing but drag you back. So take it all and reverse it. Add positive things, add positive people, add positive memories, because all of that is just going to push you up towards your mission, up towards your goal. And don't focus on competing with anyone. If it's someone doing the same thing that you're doing, don't focus on competing with them, because it's going to get you nowhere. I'm a motivational speaker, and it's thousands of motivational speakers around the world. If I focus on competing with them, then I'm just going to be stuck in the same spot that I was when I tried to start. So never focus on competing with people. Butterflies and mosquitoes fly in the same sky. It's enough room for both of them to spread their wings and fly.